Hello everyone, I'm Ligu. Yura's application for finding her ideal type has been received. There was an application from Who Am I? In addition to finding Hong Jong-hyun's ideal type, Who Am I has also requested to find Yura's ideal type. If it was too difficult to find Hong Jong-hyun's ideal type, it was relatively easy to find Yura's ideal type. Let's analyze it together. Let's first analyze Yura's fortune. Yura is the sun in her fortune. The sun has a lot of thoughts that it is special and hates being tied to small things in the world. Yura shines everywhere. Yura has two sets of combinations of letters with strong energy in her fortune. It's a blue circle part. Therefore, Yura is a person who goes well with not only singing but also action acting with a strong image. Her fortune tells that the flow of energy is very neat. Energy flows neatly into letters that mean art, wealth, honor, and man. One disadvantage is that her energy is a little weak. However, if the flow of energy is very good, the disadvantages may be offset a little. The flow of energy that leads to art and wealth is mainly seen in celebrities and businessmen. But Yura is even better because the flow of energy flows to honor at the very end. In other words, even if she is celebrity, she can win a prize well and raise her name. And it is advantageous for marriage because there is a man's energy. In addition, even if she does business, she can work as a CEO because there are letters that correspond to honor. That's a great fortune. Therefore, it would be better if the fortune structure that goes well with Yura has a flow of energy that leads to art and wealth. 윤시윤, 윤두준, 윤박, 하석진, 이승기, BTS Jin, 장기용, and Kim Youngkwang will participate in the search. Who Am I picked the list for me. They are going to compete 2 by 2 and pick the final winner. The first battle is between Yoon Si-yoon and Yoon Do-jun. Yoon Si-yoon is a person who has both an inflow of energy and an outflow. Emotional inflow and outflow is good. However, there are no letters for wealth or women. Yoon Do-jun's energy is flowing to art and wealth, and energy is flowing to letters that are worthy of honor. It shows a very similar flow of energy to Yura. I will win this match with Yoon Do-jun. The first battle is Yoon Do-jun's victory. The second match is between Yoon Bak and Ha Seok-jin. Yoon Bak has a very good flow of energy that leads to art, wealth, and honor. However, the three letters on the bottom are all united with the energy corresponding to wealth. So the energy corresponding to art is relatively decreasing. However, energy is flowing to art, wealth, and honor. Ha Seok-jin is a structure in which energy flows into him. This structure has a lot of help around it, and it is a good structure to grow through the management of the agency. Therefore, I will win this match with Yoon Bak. The second match is Yoon Bak's victory. The third battle is between Lee Seung-gi and BTS Jin. Lee Seung-gi has a very good flow of energy. So he starts with the letters corresponding to the art on the right hand side, and energy flows through with honor and input energy and flows into himself. It's a good log structure where energy inflow and outflow are very free. BTS gene is a good structure with energy flowing in. As I explained before, growth through management of the agency is a good structure, but this match is Lee Seung-gi's victory. The third battle is Lee Seung-gi's victory. The fourth battle is between Jang Ki-yong and Kim Young-kwang. Jang Ki-yong is a good log structure for energy inflow. The letters in the blue circle are input energy. Energy is flowing into letters that mean itself on both sides and letters that have the same energy as himself. There are letters that correspond to art, but they are united and somewhat tied up in activity. And there are no letters corresponding to women. Kim Young-kwang is also in a strong position with the input energy, is in a strong position. However, there are definitely letters for women. I will win this match with Kim Young-kwang. The fourth round ended. Next, Yoon Do-jun and Yoon Bak will face off, and Lee Seung-gi and Kim Young-kwang will face off, respectively, and the final winner will be determined by the winner. As you saw before, Yoon Do-jun has a very good flow of energy, like Yura. The flow of energy from art, wealth, and honor is very good. In addition, the letters of honor are allied with the letters that mean himself. Honor to man is also to children. Yoon Do-jun will be honored and on good terms with his children. Yoon Bak also has a very good flow of energy. The flow of energy from art to wealth to honor is good. Their fortune is similar and so good that it's so hard to pick one person. However, I'd like to choose Yoon Do-jun, who has a certain energy for art. Yoon Bak's identity of the letters corresponding to art has disappeared a little because all three letters on the bottom are reinforcing the letters corresponding to wealth. It's a battle between Lee Seung-gi and Kim Young-kwang. Lee Seung-gi's fortune is that both energy inflow and outflow are good. Kim Young-kwang has a good flow of energy and the letters corresponding to women are clear, but there are no letters for art. Lee Seung-gi, who has good energy inflow and outflow, will be the winner. The last match is between Yoon Do-jun and Lee Seung-gi. As discussed earlier, they have a very good fortune structure. Yoon Do-jun is a fortune who is spreading his talent to the fullest because he has the outflow of energy. And right below the letter of self is the spouse's position, which is a good structure with the spouse in the spouse's position. Lee Seung-gi's structure is good for the outflow of inflow of energy, but the energy of letters corresponding to honor is very powerful. It's a good structure where he becomes a leader and honor goes up. Yura also has letters that correspond to honor, so they can communicate with each other, but Lee Seung-gi has a strong spirit of honor. Yoon Do-jun looks better on Yura, who is free and has a strong, spontaneous energy. So the final winner will be Yoon Do-jun. The final winner through 7 matches is Yoon Do-jun. It was not easy to find Yura's ideal type. All 8 of the above had good fortune. Yura also has a letter that means honor in a fortune that has a very good flow of energy. And there were 2 combinations of letters with strong disposition to match rough action. There were a lot of people who fit in, but I chose Yoon Do-jun as the best person. I don't know their actual relationship, but please improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.